Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos. Another short video today, and please like if you like the content and subscribe. It really helps me to continue producing these videos for you. So a question that I get a lot is, when should I use language? Okay, language is a setting. I'm going to put a print screen so that you can see it's within the ad set, just below your detailed targeting, and you can actually choose the language that these people that you are going to target, they're speaking. A lot of times people think like this: I'm having an English copy, so I'm going to target only people who speak English, and this is where the setting on the ad set level is coming. They are putting English, UK, all, or USA, and they're trying to target people that they're speaking English instead of just targeting everybody. I'm totally against that, okay? I think that there are a lot of people that they haven't declared if they speak English or not, a lot of people that they understand it, and I know that Facebook is categorizing people not only by what they have declared in the profile, if they speak the English language or not, but based on how they read, how they write. So in a sense, it's right, but on the other hand, by testing it, a lot of times I can see that it's limiting you. And we know that after iOS, we need better, bigger audiences, so limiting yourself with that, it's not good. But there is an exception. Let's say that you want to target Chinese people in the United States. This is a very good filter for you. You can actually put the Chinese language and you can target it. Latino community, Spanish-speaking people, you put Spanish and you are able to target it. You don't need to have, let's say, a Spanish copy for that, but if you want to target for a specific reason because this is your niche, a minority within a country that's speaking another language, there you go. This is a very easy solution for you. I hope that this is going to help you, and I'm going to see you in a future video.